I'm taking a video.
Put the video up and also put a
This
picture
is Connor's wonderful hand that we
My mother's here.
You can't read it.
I have candy.
Hello? Alrighty then. Alright. Okay, you too. Peace.
Wait, what's his name?
Mr. Weldon.
Okay, that's Mr. Weldon. Wait,
The rapist.
The rapist.
That's the little boy who's
And
got a
what?
lollipop.
And he's saying, I love you, and I think you get the point with the little
It
big
says, I
tunic.
love you, little boy.
I love you, like, little boy. And there's a little boy with this big little boy.
Oh, a disco ball.
There's a disco ball. There's a disco ball.
Because they're at a club. And he's wearing checkered pants and spiked shoes with little balls at the end so he doesn't hurt anybody.
Yeah. And then there's a little boy.
He's got an
with a
arrow through his head
lollipop.
with blood coming out.
Oh yeah, that too. And his buck teeth.
Okay.
And his crazy hair and his chest hair.
Turning.
And there's a little boy in his overalls and the trail of candy in his lollipop. And he's gonna come to Mr. Weldon
And get raped.
and get raped with his checkered pants. And I'm gonna have to stop now because my camera's out of battery.